To begin cleaning the printhead, the printer has to be powered off. To clean the printhead, you will use the lapping stick support guide, a lapping stick, and a cleaning swab. With all of the supplies already taken out of the printer, you will insert the lapping stick support guide onto the cartridge guide posts. The pink paper is the lapping paper. It should not be removed from the stick. Next, you will insert the lapping stick all the way into the lower portion of the guide. Move the lapping stick back and forth 3 times. Remove the lapping stick. Save the lapping stick as it can be used 2 times, 1 time for each side. To remove any debris that the lapping stick may have loosened from the printhead, we will use the cleaning swab. Open and remove the cleaning swab from its package. This time, insert the swab centered on the support tool. Move the swab back and forth 3 times. Remove the swab, remove the support tool, and that completes the cleaning of the printhead.